attack at your car.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it goes after people's tires.
Wow.
So I was where you were the other morning.
Uh-huh.
It's down there, and it just starts taking a full run at me.
Wow.
Right at the car.
Yeah, I saw that. It approached the car and was looking like it wanted to attack it.
It like has no fear, and it's like nasty.
So what is that?
It's a turkey, I think.
A turkey out here
I guess.
in Centerville, Virginia. Wow.
It lives, I think it lives back in there somewhere. It likes to hang out in this guy's property. Yeah. I've seen it all the way over there on Leland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
It's huge.
Yeah, take care.